how to change background in NanoBanana AI. Watch this video till the end. To start with, open your preferred web browser on your phone. Then type NanoBanana AI in the search bar and navigate to its official website. Once the website loads, scroll down until you find the AI editor section. Here you will notice two options. Just choose Upload Image. Next, tap on Click or Drag Image. Here select the image you want to edit and hit Done. Once the image is uploaded, click on the prompt section. Here you need to write a detailed prompt describing how you want to change the background. After entering your prompt, hit the Generate button. Finally, NanoBanana AI will process your request and create the new image with your desired background, and that's it. That's how you can easily change the background using NanoBanana AI.